communication is very strong. She is also knowledge very, very strong, giving lot of suggestions, giving lot of innovative ideas. Engineering degree, 2 years of effort in preparing for IAS and Karnataka State. Everything is going on fine in life. 12 lakh rupees means 1 lakh rupees per month. 1 lakh rupees per month. You can spend good money, and because you are an engineer, and after that you are trying IAS. When you are trying IAS, that time try to load your matrimonial biodata. When you are doing IAS, that time your market value in the matrimonial market is very high. Because everybody feels that, oh, you will become IAS, you will become IPS. But you know what is the final outcome. But that time get married. This is case 2. And now case 3, salary 22 lakhs. BTech from a very good engineering college, MTech from IIT Bombay. Total 18 years of experience, 8 years in US. Top performer in the company, one of the multinational companies in Bangalore currently. He was working when he came to us. Lot of respect, he was a top performer.
Thank you, sir, for your highly encouraging message. Now, I request Anandi ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Count the numbers, 3 of them. That's what is very important for now. Say whatever you are interested in, whatever you feel is your passion, whatever you feel is your strength.
This is a very strong message that what comes into picture is you as an individual, what value you bring across the table, what value you can add to my company, my department, my projects. That is a very clear thing, and all the brands that you carry with you, whatever institute you are, whatever degree you have, whatever percentage of marks, it all gets diluted. Finally, your contribution on day-to-day basis is what matters. So, his message is technology you should learn from the point of view of application, how it is useful rather than interview or marks. So, always learn with what is the end result of the technology, how the society or the business is going to benefit. Because we are discussing a technical aspect, I would like Kavita.
Hello. Take any subject, say Java or any C. So if you take that subject, you should understand what's the basic concept over there. So where can I apply that programming skills? Or else whatever, when it comes to software development, say if you get into coding, so it will be very difficult for you to apply your own codes. So at that time you should understand how well I can put my logic and all. So for that, any technology, so if you understand it from basic, so how that technology, what is that object, everything if you understand, taking by examples, then if you download your software and then if you apply, so there when you enter into the industry, learn through the basics. That's what I wanted to say.
Very good. Yes, again, see, so two people saying same thing with their experience, it really matters. I would like to know anyone with a strong technical background, what he would like to say in terms of how the teaching methodology or teaching content or the approach to teaching can be changed so that madam and the teaching staff takes it and they try to bring it that small change. I would like one of you to comment on that with respect to development of technical knowledge.
One can be made as a practical. Whatever they have learned, the theory, they can just apply a simple program. For example, printing it onto a console, that they can start up with that, and building up a application, like an end-to-end application. Maybe in this semester they are learning C++. Next semester they would be learning a database. So they can just integrate everything, end of 6th semester or sometime. They can have some time or some faculty who are interested in taking up small projects and helping them to do a real business application. That will be very helpful for them while going on to how the exact business works and what's the challenges they need to face. That would be very helpful for the students.
Yeah, so this is a very strong suggestion. That is, having 4 classes. Yeah.
I would like to get into academics and be a teacher someday, a lecturer. So if one of those students learn what's the right way of dealing with things, he alone will, the words will not matter because I'm not helping them, go do better in the workplace. So that's true,
Are you emphasizing on teachers should really,
Yeah, I think
their understanding and the way of teaching is very important.
Yeah.
It should be practical.
That attitude of, bridging the gap between what's happening in the industry and the academics is very important for us to make it more worthy of what we are doing.
Yes, so as a teacher, if you get industry exposure, then I think that really benefits to the students a lot.
I would like to add a point to this. This is the main reason because I always feel attendance, all of us know, is only 60% in this college. So after 60% they feel it is worthless to sit. So that attitude to...
That is compulsory.
No, 85 is compulsory. We are generous.
60% of time they feel like, okay, let us go to college.
Yes, no, because I pulled them off for a reason. But I feel that you people should be there for a reason. So this is why I want you to come happily to the class, not by bonded labors like sitting in the class. So we are trying to make 50% class, not 1 hour. So my intention is to reduce the teaching hours and more practical hours. So that's why I wanted to have your feedback and incorporate what else to do. So 2 hours will be teaching, 2 hours anyway you won't learn the other 2 chapters. So that 2 hours we wanted to do it in a practical way. So we are planning that.
One thing is, regarding to what Samsung was saying, that you need to learn so many things. But before learning, all those things, you need to be aware where you actually are. When you step into the industry, there are so many people. When you go for any interview, you will find 500 people standing in a line, right? So, you got to judge yourself first. If you're thinking about Java, just see where you stand in Java. Can you sit in front of a computer and actually... So how they train is they run the slides, which is like probably about half an hour, 40 minutes. And then they just code. They code for the next 2 hours. Then they run the slides for another half an hour and then they code for 2 hours. That is the way we train people. And nobody is interested in theory. They want to implement something and that will actually create some interest in the students.
Yeah, thank you very much. So that is very point. Now, if when the computer screens are open and laptops are open, there should be CCTV cameras to see what's happening.
And it is completely free. I suggest Linda.com.
Will require one more batch will pass out, I think. But see, as ma'am is telling, your hands are bonded. And what you are telling now that there should be practical approach because you are facing the world right now. So the idea of practical approach or the importance of
Why that? Staff or backbenchers,
And enact a beautiful romantic scene from any film. Except and preferably a girl because it's a romantic scene. It's so romantic, holding hands on her. What is her name?
Ashwini.
Okay, Devesh and Ashwini will enact a scene.
आंखें खोलता हूँ तो तुम्हें देखता हूँ, आंखें बंद करता हूँ तो तुम्हें देखना चाहता हूँ। हर समय मेरा दिल तुम्हें ही चाहता है। काश जिंदगी में कभी काश नहीं कहना चाहता, सिर्फ इसीलिए आज तुम्हारे सामने और तुम्हें कहता हूँ I love you. You be mine.
I gave the last missed call. So it's a pretty simple task. Or read out the last romantic message you got.
It's a waste business.
It's okay. The best message you got.
Affection is easy to obtain, but once obtained, gain it's difficult to maintain, and once lost, it can never be regained. So keep it safe in your little heart.
From
So
whom?
this is to Devesh and Ashwini.
Who said that they want to go?
Okay, now we know what's happening. What is your name? Okay, Ashwini. Your number? Okay, number 5 starting goes. 8 is that? 8. Okay, you should dance to the song. Okay, it is a very famous song. You know the dance steps and all. No problem. So you just have to dance. The song will be